Right, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all good. It's Tuesday, Valentine's Day, the 14th of February 2023. I'm here to bring you the weather forecast for Southeast England for the next 24 hours. It's chilly out there again this morning in some spots, not all spots. We are generally just above zero, but one or two frost hollows have fallen below zero. And here in Folkestone at my weather station, I'm cold this morning, -1, or should I say minus zero point 0.7. If we push it over towards Maidstone, it's +2. Head over towards Ashford, it's 1.6. If we move over towards Erith, we're at 1.8 this morning. Head over to Tenterden at zero point 0.2. Over to Botany Bay at 5.5, tropical there as it often is. And in the Big Smoke in London near Covent Garden, it's 4.7 degrees. Right, current minimum temperatures around the country between about -1 and -3 at the coldest spots. One or two Highland stations are that little bit lower, as you would expect. And top of the hots this morning, look at that. Shannon Airport in Ireland, 12 degrees, matched closely by Valentia Observatory, and many stations out towards the west, particularly Ireland this morning, are very, very mild indeed, because we're bringing in mild air up from the south. So this is the temperature anomaly today. Look at all this. Much of the UK, much of Europe now, and Scandinavia basked in above average temperature anomalies as this huge area of high pressure starts to pull up air from the south. You'll see that the anomalies are cooler over the Atlantic. We're trying to bring in a cold front. So this is the scene this morning. High pressure resolute over, well, southeastern Europe now. We've got this long fetch of southwesterly breezes and a cold front trying to push in from the Atlantic. It will struggle for a couple of days, but as I've mentioned, I think it brings the risk of a little bit of rain on Thursday. Okay, that's not the story this morning. The story is this: lots of mist, lots of thick fog patches out there at the moment. I've had a look around the cameras, and this scene is pretty much repeated everywhere. So just do take care when you're out there this morning. It is very, very thick, and it's thick enough for the Met Office to have issued a yellow warning for fog this morning between the hours of 3 and 10 this morning. What they're looking at is, well, as you would expect, large areas of fog have developed across much of England overnight, with visibility of 50 to 100 metres in many places, leading to some challenging travel conditions. Fog will gradually lift through mid to late morning. So you have been warned. Take it easy out there when you drive into work or whatever you're doing. These are the symbols. This is the current scene. Fog is pretty much covering the whole of southeast England this morning, but I do offer you some good news, because by midday or soon after, we're in for another one of those dry, fine, sunny, sparkling mid-February days. Lots of sunshine and light breezes. So, yep, something to look forward to after that foggy start this morning. Today's temperatures, you're going to do well across parts of London and many parts of southeast England. Temperatures peaking at between 13 and 14 degrees, so almost spring-like. A little bit cooler towards those southern coasts where you're starting to bring in that onshore breeze from a south-southeasterly direction, which I will just close off in a minute. Tonight's temperatures, a little bit less cold tonight, particularly to the south of London. Temperatures falling to maybe 1 or 2 degrees. There will be pockets of frost here and there, but towards Essex and Suffolk and to the north of London, again, there will be the risk of some temperatures falling close to or perhaps a little bit below zero first thing in the morning. So just again, something to be aware of. Not as cold, but still that frost risk. And we finish off with winds. Well, throughout the whole period, we're bringing in light breezes. These are in miles per hour, up from the southeast at around about 5 miles an hour, so which is no more than a force 1 or 2. So that's it in summary. High pressure's still well in control. We're dry, we're fine. Plenty of sunny skies after the clearance of that thick morning fog. So have a wonderful day. I'll be back tomorrow morning with the updated forecast. But in the meantime, have a lovely day. Look after yourselves, and ciao for now.